Good morning, students. Let us start with question number 2 of exercise 7.3. The given question is AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equals to AC. Show that first AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. Now let us see the figure. According to the question, it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So AB will be equal to AC and AD is the altitude of triangle ABC. Altitude means it is perpendicular to BC. We have to prove, which I have told you, AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. For this, for proving first part, let us take these two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In these two triangles, since this is 90 degree, so angle ADB equals to angle ADC, each equal to 90 degree, AB equals to AC given and AD equals to AD common. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by RHS congruency rule. Since the two triangles are congruent, therefore BD equals to CD. Now BD equals to CD means what? That AD is bisecting BC. Hence AD bisects BC. So the first part is proved. Now since the two triangles ABD and ACD are congruent to each other, therefore angle BAD, this angle, equals to angle CAD by CP/CD. Therefore, AD bisects angle A. Proved. Now let us see question number 3. Two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle, that is ABC, are equal to sides PQ, QR and the median PN of triangle PQR. This is the given point. We have to show that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN and triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now let us see these two triangles. It is given that AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and AM equals to PN. Now since AM is the median of triangle ABC, therefore AM is dividing this BC into two parts, equal parts. That is BM equals to MC, or we can write down BM equals to half of BC. Similarly, since PN is the median of this triangle PQR, so PN is dividing this QR into two equal parts. So we can write down QN equals to half of QR. Now it is already given that BC equals to QR. So if BC equals to QR, so half BC will be equal to half QR. Now what is half BC? BM. And what is half QR? QN. Therefore, BM equals to QN. Now, let us prove the first part of the question. It is given, we have to prove that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Now, in these two triangles, AB is equal to PQ. It is given in the question. Median AM is equal to median PN. It is also given. And BM equals to QN, we have just found out. So it is from 1. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by SSS, that congruency rule. Now, if the two triangles are congruent, therefore, angle ABM is equal to angle PQN by CP/CD. Now let us prove the second part. We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. For this, we have taken the two triangles in which AB is equal to PQ. Given angle ABC or angle B is equal to angle Q. Just now we have proved, because angle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. So angle B equals to angle Q by CPCT. So in this triangle also, angle B equals to angle Q, or we can write down angle ABC equals to angle PQR. And BC equals to QR, which is given in the question only. It is the given part. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by SAS, congruency rule. Hence, proved. So, students, we will continue with the next question tomorrow. Thank you.